Today's problem is that every time I take this hand winch, or come along as they're called, and throw it in the trailer or the back of the Jeep, the cables and the hooks on it get tangled on other items. And today I'm going to solve this problem. I've got some leftover camouflage fabric here from a pair of pants that I cut off and turned into shorts last summer, and I'm going to be using these to create a bag for my come along. As a novice sewer, I had to figure out that the trick here is to put the fabric design face to face inside of each other, like this. Kind of get the idea here. The pattern faces each other and the legs are inside of each other, and we're going to sew right along this line right here. And that's going to create a long, slender bag. Okay, as you can see, this is my setup. I've got my sewing machine kind of tucked inside of the legs there. The pattern on the fabric again is facing each other. You can see that. Kind of show that to you there. And with this setup, all we're going to do is just sew along that straight line. I'm not great at sewing, so my line's not perfectly straight here, but I went ahead and put 2 rows of stitch very tightly together, or at least as tightly together as I could. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Unrolled and unwrapped, you can see our seam here right down the middle. Looks pretty good. Left me a pocket on this side and a pocket on this side, maybe to throw a little something in if I need to. That's all there is to it. To turn this into a proper bag, I'm going to need to close off this end. So that's as easy as going ahead and throwing it on the sewing machine like this, closing it on up. Nice and simple. At the end of our 5-minute project, this is what we've got. Now on this end of the bag, I'll probably put some type of rope tie or something like that just to keep it shut. But here's our proof of concept. The come along fits perfectly inside of our little bag. Now when I throw it in the back of the Jeep or into the trailer, I don't have to worry about anything getting stuck in the gears here. I don't have to worry about the hooks or cables getting twisted on anything. And overall, just makes it a lot easier to transport. But that's it for today. Simple project, free project. Maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't. But either way, thanks for stopping by. You know, thumbs up, like, Instagram, all that, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.